Namaste, welcome to our Das kitchen. Today we are going to make mint chutney. So for that we need few green chili, lemon, like small size slices our ginger. This is our garlic, 2 cloves, salt. This is our yogurt, 2 teaspoon yogurt, and this is our main ingredients: mint leaves, fresh, and this is our coriander leaves. So take the coriander leaves, half quantity of our mint leaves. Now we are going to make our mint chutney. It's very easy. We have to put all our thing in blender and we'll blend it. This is our mint leaves, so coriander leaves, so yogurt. Use the hang yogurt for it. This is our garlic, ginger, green chili. Just use the lemon juice. This is our salt as per taste. So mustard oil, 1 tablespoon. So this is a mustard oil. It will enhance the flavor of our chutney. Now we will blend all together. Now we will blend it. Now as you can see, we blend it nicely. Its color shows it's green, so for that we call it green chutney. Now transfer to another bowl. Our chutney is ready. Now our mint chutney, it's ready to use. You can have with your pakodas or snacks, anything else. And if you guys enjoyed our video, just hit the like button, and you can share with your friends and family so they can make in your own house. It's very easy. Thank you guys watching for our video.